Welcome to GST World Academy. I am George Steve. I'm the instructor for this course. I'll be taking you on whiteboard tutorials for conference and seminar presentations. Alright, so we're looking at something very great in this course. We're looking at the overview and installation of the whiteboard, and we're looking at the advantages and the necessary things you need to know on whiteboard to make absolute and clear and adequate presentations. So guys, I'll be teaching you most of the things you don't know about whiteboard, and I'll be taking you from scratch to finish. Therefore, let's go ahead and look at advantages of whiteboard and why should you use whiteboard at all. But before we go over there, I want to tell you that whiteboard is a clean and attractive electronic communication tool used by a presenter for proper message delivery to audience. There is no message shock dust or other byproducts which can limit its use. It is used for public, lectures and conference presentations, and it can be used to attract audience for your product. It is versatile and has application on almost every area of life. Therefore, it is for everybody's use. Let's go ahead and look at the advantages of whiteboard. Advantages of whiteboard. The first, improved learning. While some students and employees are auditory learners, absorbing information efficient through the spoken words, others are visual learners. Whiteboard gives people the opportunity to absorb information in multiple formats. This helps them to increase retention and synthesis of information. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the next advantage of whiteboard right now. Increased participation. Whiteboard images can be saved and printed, so students and employees do not have to take discussions or take their notes during discussions. This allows them to participate in learning or collaborative session at a more focused and engaged level. Wow, how does that look, guys? So great. The next one is colorfulness. Research indicates that students respond to displays where color is employed, and that is why whiteboard is so good, because I will teach you how to change different colors at a time, and you know how to improve and how to make good use of your colors anytime you are working with whiteboard. So the next advantage of whiteboard is what? Different learning styles. We have different learning styles like the audio and visual learners. Audio learners can have the class discussion, while visual learners can see what is taking place as it develops on the whiteboard. Therefore, physical challenge people like the deaf and dumb people can also make good use of it. They can be able to see or they can be able to hear while you use whiteboard and communicate with almost everybody in the whole world. Let's go ahead and look at the next advantage of whiteboard that is very interesting, and that is increased productivity. Whiteboard can be used in business world for meetings as they have gained popularity in schools. You can use it to promote your product, creating ideas that are good and people seeing it visually. There is nothing that you can do with whiteboard, especially in the business aspect. It is very, very important, and that is why I would like you to focus more on this tutorial and join me as we move ahead so you can be able to learn how to market your product using whiteboard. It's very, very important. The next advantage of whiteboard is distant learning. Distant learning is excellent settings for whiteboard use. Since it can be enabled distant learning delivery or distant delivery, it has value to users at more than one site at a time. People can be able to go through your whiteboard presentations at a time, and thereby you are doing what? You are making the greatest impact and creating the greatest impact in the society. Let's go ahead and check again the last advantage of whiteboard. That is awareness creation. It is a very good tool to create awareness for your product, since it can be exported in a video format or a PDF format. So I believe at the end of this tutorial, you can be able to maximize your product and you can be able to create more awareness using whiteboard, thereby marketing your product will be much easier with whiteboard, because you get to get more customers who will cherish what you do from your presentations. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the scheme of work of this course. So the first thing we're looking at in this course is the download and installation of whiteboard on our PC. I'll be teaching you how to download and install whiteboard on your laptop Very easy and very inspiring. I don't even need to freak out, guys, because I'm with you. The next scheme of this work is the whiteboard overview. I will be teaching you everything about whiteboard. I will be taking you through step by step. I'm going to show you everything you need to know on whiteboard. Just very easy to use. Alright, so the next one is the properties of whiteboard. I'm going to show you different properties of the elements on a whiteboard that will help you to be able to use whiteboard anyhow you want it and be able to make it just the way you want it, thereby employing creativity in your own design. Okay guys, let's go ahead and check out the next thing we're going to see in this tutorial. The next thing is that I'll be teaching you how to draw, how to move, and how to morph. When I mean morph, guys, I mean animation on whiteboard. I'm going to teach you how to draw images and text. I'm going to teach you how to draw and move text. I'm going to teach you how to morph images. So we'll be taking it step by step. You don't need to freak out because I'm with you guys. So the next thing we're looking at is how to add music, a music track or voiceover on whiteboard. That is very easy. In case you have a product that needs a music track or a voiceover, you will be demonstrating about it and telling people more on your product. Therefore, you must learn how to use voiceover or music track on whiteboard. It's just very easy and very simple. So don't ever freak out because we are together. So the last but not the least, which we are going to look, is the video publishing of whiteboard. When we have discussed all these and you see how to do and work with everything here, guys, you go ahead and publish it to the world and the world is going to smile back to you because you've done a very mighty job. Alright, this is brought to you by Whiteboard Academy. We are here to serve you and make things easier for you guys. At the end of this tutorial, in case you have any question or any problem, don't fail to box me. I am Judge Steve. I am the instructor for this course. I'll be with you. I will respond to you at any time. And our help desk will always be at alert. And if you have any problem, don't fail to box me. I'm going to get back to you straight away. Don't ever panic. And in case you have any doubt of anything, just let me know. Alright guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and move over to the next tutorial. We'll be looking at download and installation of whiteboard on our laptops. Therefore, let's go over there right now.